Uwika General Kashlong Archdiocese Father Richard Man Muhammadjau ula pentip bagasngi ban penkentang Bishop yu Father Bernard Laloo kalong ha kalaipo terik ubenail ber arjar arpsan ha Calvary ha plau jong kayeng maneba ula pentip bahagni gasngi on kentang Auxiliary Bishop yu Reverend Father Bernard Laloo do Archbishop Victor Lingdo ban hagni gasngi on sakhi langru ringkat nongmihkhmat jong Pope Francis cha India ban Nepal Apostolic Nuncio Most Reverend Archbishop Leopoldo Grilli. Langkat sobha ya borok kirunget ke balang banwan ya shimata hagring gesngi ban sakhi ya jingkyntang Auxiliary Bishop ya Father Bernard Laloo banlong utau nong kershan yu Archbishop Victor Lingdo hagring sakri ya kakam balang.
At the outset, I wish to thank God for all the gifts and the blessings that the Lord has given to the Archdiocese of Shillong, and especially with the announcement of the new auxiliary bishop in the Archdiocese. The Archdiocese has a lot of responsibilities. We have got a number of congregations. We have got a number of religious houses. We have got a number of parishes, and above all, the number of Catholic population that we have in the Archdiocese. We need to have what we call a good pastoral care in the Archdiocese, and the coming of the auxiliary bishop will help us to a great extent to help the Archbishop here in the Archdiocese of Shillong. And we are indeed happy that the Holy Father has selected Father Bernard Laloo. Currently he is the parish priest of Cathedral Parish and also the Chancellor of the Archdiocese. He had been holding this double post for the last 3 years also, and he had been doing so well. And Reverend Bernard Laloo had a lot of experience. He was working as an assistant parish priest, he was working as a principal of the school, and before he became the parish priest of the cathedral, he was the director of the social service center of the Archdiocese of Shillong. He worked so hard for the social service, and as a parish priest as well as a chancellor, he had done very, very well. And indeed we are happy that it was announced on the 8th of this month as the new auxiliary bishop of the Archdiocese of Shillong. He will be ordained on the 30th of March 2025 here in the cathedral premises. It will take place in a Calvary. He will be ordained by our Archbishop only, the Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, in the presence of the Nuncio Leopoldo Grilli. He will be present also in the Mass. Also on that day, he will be present with us here in the Archdiocese, and we will also be having bishops from Northeast India, and maybe a few bishops coming from other parts of India. We'll be having a lot of priests who will be coming from all over the Northeast, and priests, religious will be coming. And definitely it is going to be a very big event for us here in the Archdiocese of Shillong. And of course preparation is going on, and we request all the priests, all the faithful, all the religious to pray in a very special way for this intention. And definitely, as I've said, his presence here in the Archdiocese as an auxiliary bishop will be a great help for the pastoral care of the people, of the priests, of the religious here in the Archdiocese of Shillong. In the Archdiocese of Shillong, we normally have the Archbishop. He is the head of the Archdiocese. An auxiliary is someone who can assist the Archbishop. In fact, he will be having a very big role to play in the Archdiocese. He'll be always side by side with the Archbishop. So, in fact, a lot of things that the Archbishop is doing, and there are things also that the auxiliary bishop also will be he'll be taking care, whether in terms of administration, whether in terms of pastoral care, in terms of different pastoral care that it is required here at the diocese. So he'll be part of it, very much part of it. So that is what he's going to do. Of course, as you know that the Archdiocese as of now, it is we have got 2 districts of the state, that is East Khasi, which is a very big district, and we have got also the district in Khubor, which is also very, very big and also a growing area of the Archdiocese. So therefore, the new bishop, the auxiliary bishop, will be helping in the whole Archdiocese in terms of administrations, in terms of pastoral care, on all the other activities that's related to the church. He will be helping the Archbishop. I haven't heard of such comments that the Archbishop will go to that level. But God has His own ways, so therefore it is not something that we, something that we wish, we pray, and whether he will reach that level, we don't really know. But as of now, we are only happy that he is the Archbishop of Shillong, because there's so much of work here in the Archdiocese, and that's what we are looking for. But for what's going to happen in the future, I think that we leave it into the will of God.